Hey guys, good morning. I also wanted to update you guys on PLTR, and it's currently actually over $27. More than likely, it will close over 25 bucks. These are the downfalls of selling calls. The downfall now is that if we do actually close over 25 bucks, I am going to be forced to sell 400 shares of PLTR for for that 25 bucks basically. And I'm gonna be missing out on whatever the difference of $25 to $27, whatever I profit between 25 and 27 bucks, which is right now. I'm gonna be missing out on that profit. So that's the bad part. That's the bad part of selling calls. If I wanted to actually buy these back and actually in profit everything from that PLTR is going right now, I would actually have to buy four contracts for $816, which which is insane. I'm not gonna do. I'm not gonna give up $800 just to profit. 2,200 bucks, right? I think my profit, if I buy 800 bucks, my profit would go down to 1600. No wait, what is it? For my profit would go down to about $1,400. So I'm more than likely I'm gonna be assigned. I'm gonna sell 400 shares or four contracts of PLTR for $25 to whoever bought these calls. More than likely I'll probably be assigned. Yeah, but I'm not gonna be buying these back. My position on PLTR is gonna go down heavily because I am gonna be selling 400 shares for for that amount. So I will be collecting a little bit less than 10,000 bucks. But yeah, just letting you guys know, these are the downsides of selling calls. I will probably more than likely be assigned. There's a big chance I'll be assigned to sell 400 shares of PLTR for 25 bucks, and that's because that the price that I sold it at was 25, and now it's at 26. More than likely going to close above 25 bucks. So yeah, I'll see you guys.